the name of the next step is drop kick. It's a very popular move. This is your position, how you start. Your palms are out and you sit a little bit, okay? And your hips are free. Your weight is on the back, okay? So if you lift front feet up, you can say that you're like very comfortable in standing, okay? So you lift your hip up and then you drop it. And then one more time up and you drop it with the feet. 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it forward, same, sit. Don't forget that your knee is bended, the back knee is bended, okay? So your hip is free. Bring it up and drop, hip, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, okay? Let's try to do it with the moving around. When I teach my students how to move around, for the beginners, it's very hard to understand. And I just do first, you have to open your thigh for this move. You open and you close. Open and you close. You see, like I'm wearing like a high heel shoe. Yeah, and then I'm sitting down and I open my thigh. It's very important because the rotation of the hip goes more far. And it's important. So let's try to do simple move, which is sit down, open your thigh, turn, and 1. It's like a ballet, okay? Sit, open your thigh, up, and 1, and 2. Okay, so this is how you turn around yourself with the same move. Drop, kick, okay? Basically, you do 2 times drop, but 1 drop is more far. Drop, and, okay? So let me show you how you do it around. And, drop, 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 and. Yeah, try to do it also from the other side. Sometimes you feel one hip works better than the other. It's the same as like some people right-handed or left-handed. For a belly dancer, we have right-hipped or left-hipped. So find your hip, but also work on the other side as well, because it helps your body grow and helps your physical body grow, okay? So let's do it one more time. And